So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to order an item as a gift purchase here on Etsy. So once Etsy is opened up, if you wanted to, let's just say, order a gift for someone you know, and maybe order it as a gift, it's fairly straightforward. So we'll just go to home favorites right here and we'll find something as an example. So if you wanted to order, let's just say, an original painting for someone as an example, you can go ahead and select a photo. So I'll just do this one as an example right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and add it to my basket. And then once you're actually in your basket right here, proceeding to checkout, you can go ahead and actually where it says mark order as a gift or learn more. So we'll hide the price at checkout and you can add free personal touches to your gift, a note, a customizable preview, and more. If you go ahead and make sure that that is checked right here, you can then go ahead and proceed to checkout right here. And the gift will be, or I guess the item will be ordered as a gift. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to order an item as a gift here on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.